Welcome back to the Duct Kings channel. Your trusted authority when it comes to maintaining healthy, efficient, and clean HVAC systems. Today we're tackling an often asked question: how often should air duct cleaning be performed? Let's dive right in. Hello, I'm John, a certified air duct cleaning technician here at the Duct Kings. Whether you're living in a high-pollen area or simply striving for optimal indoor air quality, understanding how often air duct cleaning is needed is crucial. And this brings us to our question for today: how often air duct cleaning? Several factors dictate the frequency of duct cleaning. For an average home without any specific issues, we recommend getting your air ducts cleaned every 3 to 5 years. However, if you've recently undergone a home renovation, live in a high-pollen area, have pets that shed high amounts of hair and dander, or have residents with respiratory issues or allergies, you might need to consider a more frequent cleaning schedule. Keep an eye out for warning signs indicating an immediate need for duct cleaning. Visible mold in your ductwork, vermin infestation, or excessive dust and debris are all signs that cleaning should be performed right away. Regular air duct cleaning is vital not only for the cleanliness of your home but also for the overall efficiency of your HVAC system. Clean air ducts can improve air flow, resulting in lower energy costs, a longer lifespan for your system, and most importantly, a healthier living environment. So, in essence, the answer to the question, how often is air duct cleaning, really depends on your individual circumstances. Here at the Duct Kings, we believe in custom solutions tailored to each home's unique needs. Thank you for joining us today. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have more questions or if you're ready to schedule your next air duct cleaning. We're always here to help ensure your home's air quality is at its best. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, I'm John from the Duct Kings, reminding you to breathe easy, knowing we're here for you.